First, click on Custom Size. Take 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click on Create a new design. Add your product image. Change the background color to match your product. Remove the background of your product. Go to Elements. Search Podium Product Display. Add an element. Now, click on Edit. Go to Duotone. Choose Custom. Here, we will change the color of highlights to green and shadows to light green. Now, adjust its position and place the product on it. Bring it to the front. Adjust the product size and position. Go to Elements and search Splash. Add a splash element. Go to Duotone. Change the color of shadows to green and highlights to light green. To create a compositing effect, adjust its size. Send it to behind the product. Duplicate and place it to the front. Now, crop the part like us. Now, go to Position, then Layer. Select the splash, duplicate it, adjust its position, click on Flip, then flip horizontal. Adjust its size. Do the same process to create a compositing effect. After this, go to Elements. Search Shadow. Add a circular shadow. Place it at the bottom of the product. Send it to the back. Next, search Green Landscape 3D. Add an element. Place it at the bottom of the canvas. Send it to the back. Next, go to Edit, then Filter. Apply the fresco filter effect. Again, go to Elements. Search Glowing Light Effect. Add a green glow element. Click on Edit, then Filter. Apply the latte filter effect. Place it in the bottom right corner. Duplicate and place another on the top left corner. Next, search 3D Abstract Shape. Add a 3D spiral element. Go to Duotone. Choose Custom Color. Change the color of highlights to deep green and shadows to light green. Place it in the top left corner. Duplicate and place it on the bottom left corner. Now, search 3D Microbial. Add a microbe. Go to Edit, then Duotone. Click on Custom. Change highlights to green and shadows to deep green. Place it on the top right corner. Next, search Window Shadow. Add a shadow. Place it in the top right corner. Send it to the back. Search White Shadow. Add a shadow. Place it behind the product. Adjust its size and position. Your product image is ready. Let's check it out. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.